How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Travis. If you are currently in the market for a 399 square foot tiny home and you are looking for a 1-bedroom, 1-bath with a loft, with the front porch, but the key factor is you want something that's going to stand out with curb appeal from the rest, then you need to holler at the best here at Recreational Resort Cottages and talk to me about the Travis. As you can see behind me, this has tons of curb appeal. This home is coming in at 12 feet wide, 36 feet long, including the 8-foot front porch, and it's on sale today for $86K, $86,000 to the first person that calls me about the Travis is getting the Travis. So starting here on the exterior, I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna walk you around and show you the character that this home has and some of the additional features that you've been asking about. So as you can see, on the exterior, this home has a shed roof. So it's gonna be elevated on one side and lower on the next. It's going to have half slatted cedar railing for privacy on the porch. Works great for pets as well. We chose to go with the snowy mount, lapped siding, and hardy board going throughout the home. You follow me this way, and you can see beautiful features like the picture windows that we've got on the home, and also this bump out, which is accented in cedar vertical pattern. So you can see that as well here. And a lot of you are asking, what's this right here? This is going to be a propane tankless hot water heater. So that is an option for you. You can go with the electric hot water heater, or you can choose the tankless option. If you choose tankless, this is how it's going to look. And you can see as well below this, we got the fresh water connection right here below. So that is what ties into your water well, your main water source. You've got that there as well. You can see also, you've got it labeled here conveniently for you for a sewer or septic outlet. So directly under this home, centered, will be a sewer and septic connection that you just tie right into your city sewer or your on-property septic tank. So easy peasy. I'm telling you guys, we're prepping it for you to move it right onto your property. See these right here? These are going to be hurricane straps that are equipped on every home that we offer here at Recreational Resort Cottages. You're going to have 3 on one side, 3 on the opposite side, so we can anchor this home into the ground and make it very nice and sturdy for you. You follow me around the back. See, this home again has another bump out here in the vertical cedar accent. Great curb appeal, great pop. And then this is going to be your AC and heat inverter right here on the back. This is going to power those mini split units that we use on the interior of the tiny homes. So this is going to show you connected here. And then as well, we've got your electrical panel box here located on the back. You can choose exterior or interior option. This home has exterior, so that way you connect the lines directly into your electric pole, and it is hardwired with the 100 amp electric service. You can choose 50 amp if you need, and that will come with a pigtail that just plugs right in like a traditional RV. Also, little keynote that we added here, we went ahead and plumbed for gas. Even though the appliances are electric on the interior, if you ever wanted to convert to gas in the future, we've already got it prepped for you. We think ahead. So follow me right this way, and you can see again that beautiful snowy mount lapped siding going around, and then we've got the cedar accent again on the bump out. And as you can see, just the roof line and the fascia is in red stained cedar as well. And then we chose to go with a full slatted porch on this side. So you can see instead of the half slat like the opposite side, we've got the full slat for even more privacy. So you follow me around here, And you can see how we chose the half slat on the front of the house. So this is tons of character. And to top it all off, we added a copper roof. I know you can't see it, but just believe me, that's the cherry on top. And then what's great for your pets is we went ahead and added the privacy gate. So you got that right here in the cedar redwood stained that you open up onto your porch. Trex decking. We went with tortoise brown on the decking. That's composite decking with a 30-year warranty. We've got southern yellow pine on your interior ceiling of your porch to add even more pop. We've got 2 can lights as well as its wired embrace for a ceiling fan. So again, guys, I want to do something a little different and show you the exterior features because I know you've been asking for it, but you know what I do here. Let's take it inside and let me show you some of the great features that we've got on the inside of the Travis. So as you come in, you'll see right here that when we open it up, this Travis is a great model for the following reasons. This home is packed with character on the interior with the great open concept. You'll see here in the living space, look how much natural light is coming into this home. You can see here on the main living room side, we've got these double windows right here, bringing in natural light. Those are going to be 24 by 60 in size, and we kept that going right here with a triple 24 by 60 layout of the windows here up front, so that way you can get the great view of your porch, but then also get all that natural light in as well. And then up top, we went with the 14 by 60 transom windows. We put 2 of them up there for you, and if you can see the roof line, you can see that shed roof that I told you about. It's lower on one side, higher on the next, to give more of that modern feel from the exterior of the home. Just give you something that's new, different, to give you a little bit more pizzazz. And then right here on the main wall in the living room, you can see it's already prepped for a TV jack and outlet that you can go ahead and mount your flat screen there on the wall. We've got picture windows on each side, double clear stories up top, and then just this layout works great. You can see it functions perfectly from the living area into a great option right here for a dining space. We've got the island on wheels in here, so that is a great prep space for you. Could be used as a dining table because it has storage on one side, the placement for the stools on the opposite, as well on each end. However, if you don't want to use this as your eating space, then you can easily put a nice bistro table here, drop leaf table. You can actually fit a decent sized dining room table in a tiny home. Where do they do that at? Recreational Resort Cottages. And I know you see behind me here with the gray stained interior door. We chose to go with gray stain on that with Nantucket white trim going throughout the home. But behind this door, something different. We chose to put your wash machine and dryer in there. So that's an option for you. A lot of people in most homes of the tinies that we have, the washer and dryer is open. You can easily see it. Sometimes we camouflage it behind one of the doors in the bedroom, but right here we chose to, you know, put a solid door over it and just have it tucked away, which makes it very nice and convenient. That's an option you can choose to have and include the washer and dryer, or you can choose to have not. We give you options here at Recreational Resort Cottages, so the choice is yours. Then as you can see with this beautiful fumed oak flooring that we've got going throughout, that is going to complement the countertops that we've got here in the Lario pattern. That is a great option here with different shades of color that's going to bring out the floors, as well as the gray stained cabinets that we have going throughout. We've got a sink right here with the stainless steel apron farm sink with the window up above. So that way while you're sitting there washing your fruits and your vegetables, you can look out onto your property and enjoy this beautiful tiny home that you purchased by the name of the Travis from Mr. Tiny. And then right up above, we added another 14 by 60 transom window. We got windows galore here. And then also you can see right here, we've got the mosaic backsplash in white. So that's going to add more of that, just that clean look to the backsplash, more open, airy feel, because we got some of the darker tones on the cabinets, so that white's gonna brighten it up for you. And speaking of, we've got the electric appliances here. Like I was telling you, we got it prepped for gas outside if you wanted to convert it, but right now it's electric, smooth top stove. We've got the microwave up top, and then your standard fridge with the freezer up top, fridge down below. And then follow me right this way, and you'll see right here, we've got the restroom. So you can see that we've got additional storage down below your main sink. We've got the frosted glass window here directly above your toilet. And then we chose to go with the step-in fiberglass shower. This is an option that a lot of clients have been choosing lately because, you know, with the tile, it takes a little bit extra effort in cleaning, you know, getting in between the grout and things like that. So with this, you just get you something, wipe it off, and you continue to rock and roll. But you see right here, we've got the rain shower head as well. Again, like I tell everybody, I'm about 6'1", so we've elevated this ceiling height in here to accommodate people of a lot in various sizes. So I'm telling you, this is something where just because you go tiny with 399 square feet does not mean you have to be a tiny individual. So you follow me right through here, and you're going to see that we have the bedroom. This is going to be the bedroom on the main floor. This is great because it's already got the cutout for a queen bed. This can fit a queen bed in this bump out right here, which I've shown you on the exterior of the home. That beautiful cedar accent bump out that was on the outside, that's what we was bumping out. This queen bed layout right here. So you can fit that right in. We've got 2 windows right here to the side. You can see as well that we've got the mini split AC and heat system here. That's going to be powered by that inverter that I showed you on the exterior. And then you can see here, exit. So a lot of people ask, why don't we have 2 doors in and out? Hey, if you're going tiny, so if you want another door, if you wanted, you could add one off the back. But in this model, hey, pop the window open, jump out. Hey, Mr. Tiny saved you. We got you covered right there. Then as well right here, we got the gray stained barn door. So this is going to be great on your closet. Real wood. Don't make, oh my gosh, I'm telling you. And it still rolls. And it worked fun. Look at this. Goes right back like it never happened. Real wood, that's what you can do that too. And then right in here, we got the real wood shelf and rod. So that's gonna go all the way back there. And if you look to the back of the closet, you'll see that is the tankless water heater that you got there, that propane tankless water heater. So you can see that's the access that you will have inside your closet as well. We've already prepped this bedroom to have the TV mounts right here on the side, so you can choose to do that, or you can choose another space. That is your option. So you follow me right this way, and then we can take it up to the loft, because keep in mind, you got all these features going on with the Travis, but also you got a loft space. We chose, as well as we like to do here, is stain the steps. If you're subscribed, like you should be, then you know that this is a reason that we do this, because you sit here, you scuff up these stairs, going up there, karate kicking it as you're trying to get up to the loft, it's gonna scuff it up, make it very dirty very quickly. So we stain it, let that blend, and it looks even better, and has a pop of color as well. So you follow me up these open riser stairs, and we'll go up to the loft. Now we are up in the loft of the Travis, and you can see that this is a great option to have in this floor plan, because not only does it offer additional sleeping space and sleeping quarters for you, but it also adds additional storage space and additional lounge area. If you want to have a place that you could set up, you know, a TV, you can sit there and have some gaming systems, things like that, or have game night up here. Everybody sit Indian style like the good old days, play some tic-tac-toe, Uno in, Uno out. What else? Clue. You can do that too. You do that up here in your loft space because it offers additional space that is utilized in 399 square feet. As you can see here, we've got the 14x60 transom window again here in the loft. We've got a TV jack and outlet on that side as well. But just in case you don't want to use that side, what we got right here, a clear story window with a TV jack and outlet below. So that right there gives you plenty of options in the loft space. We chose to take the rails and have the gray stained top and bottoms with the black iron railing going throughout the loft there as well. And then if you look down into the main area, you can see how beautiful this Travis is. This home is great and is beautifully laid out in 399 square feet. I'm telling you, it feels so much larger in life than 399 square feet. So if you're in the market for a tiny home, this is the one. Keep in mind, like I told you, this home is 12 feet wide. It is 36 feet in length, including that 8-foot front porch, and it's on sale today for $86K. $86,000 to the first person calls or the first person gets served with the Travis. So I'm telling you guys, I want to thank you for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday. Please like this video. Hit the like button right now. Smash the like button. Demolish the like button to spread the videos out so more and more people can see what we got going on here at Recreational Resort Cottages, so they can see a way of affordable living, quality living in a tiny home. Just because it's affordable does not mean it's quality. So we mix the best of both worlds here at Recreational Resort Cottages. Also, leave a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite part of the Travis was. Let me know what your favorite feature was. Let me know what you may have done different, because we constantly build new models and I need new ideas. Guys, it's hard out here. Give me some new ideas. We'll see if we can make it happen for you, because we love to keep everything new and fresh here at Recreational Resort Cottages. Also, subscribe. If you're subscribed like you should be, then you're part of the family. If you're not, please join the family right now and hit that subscribe button, so that way you can be notified as soon as any video drops here from me and Recreational Resort Cottages. Also, you know what time it is. It's Tiny Home Tuesday. Don't think I forgot about the Tiny Home Tuesday shout out. And this is a very special one this week. This Tiny Home Tuesday shout out is to Mandy Inslee from Asheville, North Carolina. Her nickname is Beavis. And how I know her nickname is Beavis is because her husband Alex hit me up on Instagram and said, hey, please make me the husband of the year by giving my wife a shout out on Tiny Home Tuesday. She watches you every week. So Alex, I appreciate you for asking me to do so. And Beavis, I appreciate you for watching me week in and week out. I appreciate you as being a supporter here of Recreational Resort Cottages and Mr. Tiny. So this Tiny Home Tuesday shout out goes to Beavis Inslee from Asheville, North Carolina. I thank you so much for doing so. If you are interested in your Tiny Home Tuesday shout out, please just do what I tell you to do every week. Go follow me on Instagram at @TheMrTiny, at TheMrTiny, and you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the homes off of my Instagram. You can connect with me directly, but all you have to do to be a part of the Tiny Home Tuesday shout out and get your submission is go over to my Instagram, give me a follow, leave a comment on my most recent post saying YouTube brought me here, and you will be entered to the Tiny Home Tuesday shout out. So if you're subscribed to the Recreational Resort Cottages channel, follow me on Instagram and leave that comment on my IG saying YouTube brought me here, and you will have your chance for your very own Tiny Home Tuesday shout out. I'm doing that to show you that I appreciate you taking the time out of your busy day to watch little old me, and I appreciate you for doing so. And in the meantime, I want to thank you again for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.